Wait, we can actually move the buy shop here and then we can like threaten the... Ellie! Shut up! Ellie! Sorry, Ellie's right next to me right now. She is watching anime while eating samyang. I hope you guys didn't hear that. So yes, we're threatening the queen. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey. Oh, eh? Eh? Eh, ino? Eh, ino? In desu ka? I mean, sure, but that's not really a fair exchange, in my opinion, you know. Ellie, use the headphones! Where's the headphones? Use them! There's a reason why we have 2 headphones, Ellie. I'm going to get copyrighted if you play that out loud.